Hello and welcome to another Django quick tip, and in this one I'll show you how to dynamically add the active class to your links. So currently when I click on all these links, there is no visual feedback to show that this is the active class. I just get the visual feedback from this text. So I want to dynamically add an active class to the links. So we head over to our Django projects, and to make this possible, let me head over to one of the urls.py. You have to give your URL a name in order for you to make this work. So I'm going to head over to my templates and my navbar. Then I would call the URL. So the first one is home. As home. Then the next one, the next URL we have, let me just duplicate this. The next one is posts, as posts, product, I think, products. Then the final one is history. And you see the reason why we actually renaming them. So where did I get this home post products? Like I showed you, for instance, in the history app, in the urls.py, the name for the history page is history. So the same thing for the rest. So it depends on your application and the name you give your URL. So the next thing to do would be to do an if statement, because currently if I just manually add the active class to home and go to my web application and refresh, you can actually see the home has an active class. Its color changed to white. So we want to do this dynamically. So to achieve this, we'll use an if statement. So if request that path equals to home, we'll apply the active class, then we end the if statement. So let's just copy this for other links. And we change it based on the name we give it over here. And the reason we renamed it is that we can't copy the URL tag into this place. It's going to give us a template error. You can try that if you want to be very sure, but we have to just rename it. So the next one is posts, products, and finally history. So let's go and try that. Oops. Okay. Silly mistake. So this is an if statement. So I'm just supposed to add if so come back over and refresh this. So you can see if I'm in products page, it dynamically adds the active class to it. So this is how you dynamically add the active class to your links in your Django project. Thank you for watching. Bye.